Hello there, my name is Mel Holsworth from Holsworth Law & Associates. I'm going to demonstrate now how to use the function via our website to upload and download files securely without the risk of loss or invasion of privacy. This system is unique to us, and you have no fear of any of your files being lost in cyberspace. The system also handles very large files and is much better in every way to email. And so I'd ask you to please pay attention as I give you a live demonstration of how this works. Thank you. Okay, I just need to get my computer up and functional, which is happening, and now the rejector is finding the function. What you can see here is our website, and you can see from the website an area up here in the top right section here called Client Login and Upload. This is the area that you're seeking to set up so that you can fundamentally use it for the upload of files to us, MYOB or Excel spreadsheets or Quicken Backup or cash flow files. And likewise too, it's an area where we'll put files in for you to download. So if you were to click that area on our website, you'll see that it comes to an area for you to enter a username, login and a password. Of course, you're probably already in this area because the section over here, which is finally going to load, is the demonstration which you're now watching. So let me show you what happens when we set up an account. In the demonstration, I've already set up an account in the name of my self-managed superannuation fund, and so that account has been set up, and the email has been sent to, in this instance, to my Gmail account, which is the email account that I'll be using for this demonstration. And so you'll see that in my Gmail account here I have an email received from Holsworth Law & Associates. If I open it up, you'll see it opens up to the email, which gives a general introduction to the system, thanking you for using it. If you have any problems, you contact Cheryl, and then down the bottom here is the information that you're looking for. So you can see in this instance the login details below. There's a link to your website, also the email address, which is your client login. So it's important to understand that the login is your email address, and then we give you a temporary password to use this one-off occasion. So in my instance here, that's the password there. I'm actually going to copy it and I'll use it for the login. So the username is my email address, which is holslaw@gmail.com, and the password is that temporary password which I've copied, and I'll submit. You see there's a section there too that if you forget your password, you can hit that and it'll resubmit to your email address a temporary password for you to start again. Now we've come to the section here now where I can then put in a new password, which I'll now do. This is the password which you'll use each time when you enter the website to use this function. This is you in fact changing the password from that temporary inaugural password to one that you want to use from here on. Okay, so now the program is open and you're in an area where you can now send us a file or receive files or look at files or make a contact to us. So let me just demonstrate how you send a file. You click on send a file, you select the file. In this instance, I'll find a file on desktop that I'll want to send as a demonstration. So I've got a file down here that I'd set up for that purpose. And this is a movie clip which is 1.69 megabytes. So you can now, it's now loading it into the system, which will take a little while to do. And then eventually when it loads up, I'm at a very slow wireless internet connection here, so I'll skip ahead of it but you'll see in your system where you've got probably a lot faster internet speed, you'll see the bar will eventually come up to 100%, and all you have to do then is hit send and it will upload it into our system. What happens at the conclusion of that is, once it's uploaded, we will then receive an email notifying us that you have sent us a file, and likewise we will, each time we send you a file, you'll receive an email. The email will notify you that you've received a file from us, and likewise an email will be sent to us each time you upload a file. You're able to then, as we send you files, log on in a similar way. You'll see the file is there for you to download. You can then follow the instructions to download the file and to store it wherever you wish. Now, if you don't download the file within a specified period, you'll receive follow-up emails, because this is not a permanent storage facility. If you eventually do not download the file in time, the file will be deleted from the system. You'll find though that you'll receive follow-up phone call from us, from Cheryl, because we receive reports from the system when clients haven't downloaded their files as they should within the given time. Thank you very much for following this. I hope you have success in your endeavours to use this facility. Thank you.